Ito naman po yung forex quote, no? Forex quote is basically your exchange rate, no? That's the official term for it. So, for example, sa atin, di ba? US dollar slash PHP is equal to 48.2. Ano ibig sabihin nun? That means for every $1, kailangan mo ng 48 pesos and 20 centavos. Now, if you take a look at Euro USD, it's the same thing. Kung nakita mo dyan, Euro slash USD is equal to 1.1500. That simply means for every 1 euro, kailangan nyo po ng $1.15. That's it. No? For every 1 euro, you need $1.15. So yun ang exchange rate niya. No? Now take note, dalawa yung currencies na involved. Yung nasa kaliwa po, ang tawag natin dyan ay base currency. Yung nasa kanan po, ang tawag natin dyan ay quote currency. Okay? Now to make it very simple, yung base currency, ang value niyan ay laging 1. So the value of your base currency is 1. The value of your quote currency is whatever is on the right side. Okay? Basta tandaan nyo yung value ng nasa kaliwa, 1. Okay? That's your base currency. So 1 euro is equal to $1.15. So, on your platforms, mapapansin nyo po kasi na dalawa yung pwede yung uh, pindutin na buttons. So you can actually take two positions in the market. You can either buy Euro USD or you can sell Euro USD. No? Kapag nag-buy kayo, same, kumbaga, another term for it is going long. No? And if you're going to sell, that is going short. No? So yun, ginagamit yan for yung terms na yan. Going long is buying, going short is selling it. Okay? So, meron kang buy, meron kang sell. So, ang tanong dyan, wait lang coach, if I buy Euro USD, ano ba dyan yung binibili ko? Kasi remember, whenever we're trading, we're buying and selling at the same time. Kaya nga magkapares yung mga currencies eh. So, ano dyan yung binibili ko at binibenta ko if I buy Euro USD? Ang basihan lagi niyan ay base currency. Now, the basis of that is your base currency. The base currency is the basis of buying and selling. So, that simply means, no, yung kaliwa yung lagi niyong susundan. So, if you decide to buy Euro USD, no, let's say ang analysis natin sa market, malakas si Euro, no? Malakas si Euro, mahina si dollar. Okay, gusto ko bilhin si Euro, gusto ko ibenta si dollar. Pag ganun, ang gagawin nyo is you buy Euro USD. Because in that case, you are buying the Euro and you're selling the dollar. Yung nasa kaliwa yung susundan nyo. Okay? If you want to buy the Euro and sell the dollar, buy tayo ng Euro USD. Yung kaliwa yung susundan. Now, if our analysis is the opposite of that, sabihin natin mahina si Euro at malakas si dollar, then definitely we want to sell the Euro and then buy the dollar. Pag ganun, ang dapat yung position sa market is we sell Euro USD. Because if you do that, you are selling the Euro and you're buying the dollar. Clear? Malinaw? So, pag ganyan, sell tayo ng Euro USD. Okay. So, this part is very important. So, kumbaga, kapag nabaliktad kasi natin yan, baliktad din yung kita natin. Okay, so, kumbaga kahit gaano kaganda yung analysis mo, pag baliktad yung execution, patay tayo doon. Alright, so take note of that. Anyway, moving forward now. So, I think everybody got that right. So, let's have some exercises para sigurado tayong dumikit. Okay, sabihin po natin, ang basa natin sa CHF, no? That's the Swiss francs, CHF. We believe that the CHF will go up. Sa tingin natin, lalakas siya, no, based on our analysis. So definitely, gusto natin bilhin yung CHF kasi, di ba, if you think the price will go up, we buy. No? If you think the price will go down, we sell. So, if our currency is CHF-JPY, ano dapat ang posisyon natin sa market para mabili po natin yung CHF? Do we buy CHF-JPY or do we sell CHF-JPY? Alright, good. So, pwede rin. You can say go long or go short. Same stuff. Okay, that's great. Everybody got it right. So, tama po. If you buy CHF, JPY, you're buying the CHF and you're selling the yen. Now, same scenario, malakas si CHF, pero ang pares natin ay Euro CHF. Anong posisyon natin para mabili natin si CHF? Do we buy or do we sell? Okay. Di ba? Simple lang, no? Excellent, excellent. Thank you for the answer. So we sell Euro CHF. In that case, you're selling the euro and you are buying the Swiss francs. All right. So I think everybody got that right, no? So yun yung kailangan natin i-apply no whenever you're already trading. Anyway, so since everybody got that right, let's move forward. Ngayon naman po, lalalim tayo ulit ng konti. We'll talk about counting pips. No? Yung pips naman po, this is how we count price movement in Forex. Bakit natin kailangan yan, Coach? Kasi po, this is how we count our profits and losses. Normally, kapag magbibilang tayo ng profits and losses, it is not usually quantified as kumbaga dollars, no? Normally kapag nag-uusap yung mga traders, umakyat yung posisyon ko ng $100, umakyat yung posisyon ko ng $200. Hindi po kami ganun mag-usap. Ang pag-usap namin normally, umakyat yung trade ko ng 100 pips, no? Bumagsak yung trade ko ng 50 pips or whatever, no? So we express it as pips. Okay? And pips is a measurement of price movement in Forex, no? Yan yung term natin diyan. Okay? Ngayon, to make it very simple, any movement on the fourth decimal place is considered as 1 pip. Okay, ulitin ko any movement on the fourth decimal place is considered as 1 pip. This goes for major currencies and cross pairs. So, kung yung example natin dito, Euro USD is equal to 1.1500, kung umakyat siya to 1.1501, that simply means it went up by 1 pip. So basta gumalaw siya on the fourth decimal place, that is 1 pip. If the market goes down to 1.1499, then it went down by 1 pip. So up or down, pips yung bilangan natin dyan, basta gumalaw siya on the fourth decimal place. So sabihin natin, umakyat siya to 1.1530, then it went up by 30 pips. If the market went down to 1.1485, then it went down by 15 pips. Okay? Basta kung ilan ang ginalaw niya on the fourth decimal place, we call that pips. Okay? So up or down. Now, the exception to the rule is Japanese yen. Kapag Japanese yen po yung tinitrade nyo, hanggang second decimal place lang yan. Kasi mababa yung yen eh. Parang yung peso. Di ba mapapansin nyo hanggang second decimal place lang naman tayo. Right? So that is yung pips natin. Basta fourth decimal place. And this goes for major and cross pairs. Yung exotic pairs, iba yung bilangan doon per currency. So medyo magulo. Kaya for the meantime, focus muna tayo sa major at sa cross. Okay. Alright. So I hope that's clear for everyone. Ngayon, we'll try to combine this concept with buying and selling, no? Para mabilang natin yung ating potential profits and losses sa market. So, let's say that based on our analysis, we believe that the euro is strong and the dollar is weak. So we decide to buy euro USD. Now, we're hoping na tataas yung exchange rate, no? Tataas yung value ng euro USD. Bakit? Kasi 'di ba, euro is strengthening against the dollar, so tataas yung rate, no? So if we bought euro USD at 1.1500 and it does go up to 1.1520, that means we earned 20 pips. Kasi binili mo ng 1.1500, tumaas yung exchange rate, naging 1.1520, then you earn 20 pips. Mamaya malalaman natin kung magkano yung 1 pip na yan. No? But for now, let's count it in pips first. Now, paano naman pag nagkamali tayo? No, we buy Euro USD hoping that the market will go up, but it doesn't. Paano kung biglang bumagsak? Naging 1.1490. It went down by 10 pips against our trade. And with that, you actually lose 10 pips. Okay? Malinaw? Pag bumili ka, umakyat, kikita. Pag bumili ka, bumagsak, talo. Okay, moving forward. Kung yung posisyon naman natin baliktad, no, we believe that the euro is weak and the dollar is strong, we decide to sell Euro USD. If the market does go down to 1.1470, no? Tama tayo, bumagsak nga siya. It went down by 30 pips. Then kumita tayo ng 30 pips. However, kung nag-sell ka, tapos umakyat yung market, no, baliktad yung nangyari to 1.1515, then you lose 15 pips. Okay? So kapag nag-sell tayo, tapos bumaba yung market, kikita. Kapag nag-sell ka pero umakyat yung market, talo. No? So some might be a little bit confused. No? Tandaan nyo po, there are two positions you can take. No? You can go long or you can go short. No? So you can profit from a market that is going up and you can also profit from a market that is going down. Yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-advantages when you're trading FX. Okay? You can trade both ways. Okay? Basta alam mo kung saan pupunta, pwede kang kumita. Okay? Unlike dito sa local stock market natin, kapag bear market, pahirapan talaga.